It started when I brought my art bot into school for show and tell, and my teacher really liked it, and she told me if I could bring more in, and I did. And I discussed it with my mom, and she said that it would be nice if we started a little STEM group with the kids that were interested in STEM. And from the little STEM group, it turned into my whole class wanting to do STEM. So I brought in the slingshot rockets because we were learning about energies, and the slingshot rocket, you learn about potential and kinetic energy. So that's how it got started. I also did the lava lamps, and we learned about buoyancy and density. When I grew up, I want to be an aerospace engineer, so you need science and math to do that, and I really love science and math, so I started bringing the projects in so people in my class would love science and math as much as I do. Yeah, if I got the opportunity, I would like to go to space, particularly Mars, because in one of the Artemis missions, they're going to visit Mars, and I've always wanted to go there. We can do it!